Animal facts that will make you think twice. Meet the sea otter, a furry bundle of joy with the thickest fur in the animal kingdom. With up to 1 million hairs per square inch to keep them warm in cold water, they have a remarkable adaptation. They have a secret stash under their arms. They pocket their favorite rocks to crack open snacks like sea urchins and clams, and gather in rafts to socialize. But with threats like pollution and habitat loss, conservation is key to protecting these adorable, endangered creatures. Hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.